for that. And the gratitude which I have for you can't be explained through words. uh, you have been with me all the time, so thank you so much for that. And most welcome, thank you. Okay, many of you sending hi everyone. Hi. हाय, कैसे हो? मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ, आप कैसे हो? You're awesome, thank you. ഓക്കെ, മെനു മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയോ? ഉറപ്പായിട്ടും മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയാം. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരുപാട് ഒരുപാട് നന്ദി. ഇത്രയും നാളും സ്നേഹിച്ചതിന് ഒരുപാട് ഒരുപാട് നന്ദി. സോ താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്. And how was the experience at Indian Idol? Very good. Till now, I guess Indian Idol, I can proudly say that Indian Idol 12 is the best show that I've ever been to. The crew members, the groomers, the co-contestants, everybody are the best, and they will always remain close to my heart. And the experience which you get from Indian Idol is, that can't be explained through words. The training which you get, our groomers, Neeraj Kalka sir, Mangal Mishra sir, and Sachin sir, these three people, the grooming which they give you, actually that's not for the show, that's for the whole life. It can be, if you know how to do it in the proper way, you can get something which you can carry throughout your whole life. And personally, I was really enjoying the whole process show. And it's a great show, so please keep watching. Please keep on supporting the fellow contestants. Everyone were amazing, and they are amazing, and they will remain amazing. And the speciality which this season had was that everybody were really good. There were no one who were like, जैसे बोलते हैं ना थोड़ा सा, there were no one like that. Everybody were the best in India. So to have a conversation with them, to musically involve with them, was a really new experience for me. And I'm really glad and really thankful to the crew of Indian Idol 12 for that. And everyone are coming from different places of India, so to have we have people from the east, south, north and west. So it's a combination of many cultures and music especially. So it was a whole new experience for me to learn. So I would really really like to thank everyone who are working, because if you see 30 or 40 of us on screen, there are crew members, at least 200 I guess, working behind the screen to make us good looking and singing good. And the people like band, the creative team from the channel, everyone, thank you so much. There's nothing else that I can say than thank you. And okay, many of you are saying me to sing. Okay, Bintere. Okay, are you missing your friends? I'm really missing them, because a competition for me actually, and not just for me, for my co-contestants, my my friends. It was not a competition happening there. We were like, if if you want me to say that competition was happening, it was not between us. It was, it was between the places which we come from, I guess. It was not between us. We were like having fun on and off screen, and it was a whole new experience, and I really miss them. I still talk to them, but Nachiket, hi. Okay. So once again, thank you so much. There's nothing else that I can say. So I'll just sing 4 lines. है क्या है जो तेरे मेरे दरमियां है, अनदेखे अनसुनी कोई दास्तां है, लगने लगी अब जिंदगी खाली है मेरी, लगने लगी हर सांस भी खाली, बिन तेरे बिन तेरे बिन तेरे, कोई खलिश है हवाओं में बिन तेरे, बिन तेरे बिन तेरे बिन तेरे, कोई खलिश है हवाओं में बिन तेरे. ये वो नचिकेत, क्या बोल रहा है तू? नचिकेत ले पाउंदा क्या बोल रहे थे यार? I couldn't read the whole thing. Okay, we'll talk after some time. So yeah, that's it. At this moment, I would like to thank Team Indian Idol, which includes music team, creative team, every team, the TCT and team from Sony, Fremantle, our contestant managers, managing team, production team, everyone, the band, my co-contestants especially, because they are the best, and please support them, give them the same love which you are giving me. And I had really great experience at Indian Idol 12, and I'm really happy to be a part of, and I'm really proud to be a part of a show which is the best in India and probably will remain as the best in India. So और क्या बोलूँ, it's just you. Ultimately it's just you people. Thank you so much for the love and support, and I'll meet you next week. So thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Good night.